Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, ating mga cross-watchers. Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po dito sa Bonham Magas PH. Ayan, my name is Angel Francia Feliciano po. So, ayan, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. In today's video, alamin po natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating mga Cancerians sa buwan ng Disyembre. Ano rin po ang mga mensahe at gabay sa bawat aspeto ng bawat aspeto ng iyong buhay. So, sa love, sa career and money, ano pa at anong mga spirit guides o anong spirit animal ang gumagabay sa iyo, Cancer, sa buwan ng Disyembre at ano ang mensahe. Alright. Now, unahin muna natin yung tarot cards. Kukuha ako ng 4 para ma-verify natin kung anong magiging sitwasyon ninyo, anong maasahan ninyo sa December 2025 for Cancer. First card, Cancer, you have the World. Okay. Wonderful. You have the Empress. Wow. The Empress and the World, mukhang ang ganda nito. Okay. You have the 5 of Pentacles. And you have the 5 of Cups. Okay. Now, kukuha tayo ngayon, Cancer, ng Oracle cards. Main energy niyo this month for the December 2025. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Cancer, you have milk and honey. Wow. This is abundance, prosperity. Wow, ang galing, ang ganda, ang galing. Alright, ano naman ang animal spirit? Anong animal spirit ang gumagabay sa ating Cancer this month, December 2025? Spirit guides and angels. You have turtle, patient turtle, endurance, commitment, serenity. Okay, mamaya explain ko yan ng mas detalyado. Okay, so love and romance. Love and romance, ano ang mensahe? Mga paparating para sa ating Cancerians. December 2025. Ooh, charisma. Okay, mukhang malakas ang charisma mo this month, Cancer. Okay, now sa money and career. Ano ang mensahe at gabay for December 2025? Cancer, you have transporter. Okay, mamaya explain ko to. Okay? Alright, Cancer, umpisa na po natin. Alright, Cancer, umpisa natin sa main energy mo this month. You have milk and honey. Okay, napakaganda ng energy na to. Alright, so milk and honey. This card, Cancer, is one of the most positive energies sa buong deck. Ibig sabihin nito, comfort, abundance, sweetness of life, ayan, emotional nourishment, at divine blessings na hindi mo inaasahan. So, kasama nito ang tarot spread. Mamaya pag-usapan natin. So, may malaking shift mula sa sakit ngayong December, Cancer. So, ikaw, ibig sabihin, papunta ka sa healing, and then mula sa pagkukulang o kakulangan, papunta ka sa kasaganaan. And then, mula sa paghihirap, I really do feel marami sa inyo in the past, lalo-lalo na ngayong this year, 2025, marami sa iyo ang naghihirap. Financially, emotionally, physically, struggling, lahat na. Right? Sa career, ayan. And then now, papunta ka na sa isang bagong cycle na mas matatag at mas payapa at mas abundance, right? So, with the world card, Cancer, this means that ngayong December 2025, may isang cycle sa buhay mo na finally matatapos na. Pwede itong emotional chapter, relationship wounds, or could also be financial struggle na matatapos na, or isang matagal na responsibility na pinasan mo na matatapos na. May feeling din ng graduation, mag-graduate ka, hindi literal na mag-graduate school, but something like graduate ka na, kumbaga, tapos na ako dyan. So, parang makahinga ka ng mas maluwang na, kumbaga, after a long battle, right? So, huwag matakot, mag-let go sa mga lumang pattern this month. Okay, reward ang magiging kapalit niyan, Cancer. A new doors will open and you're being aligned. Okay, remember that you are being aligned with something bigger than what you lost. Okay, so ito ay sign ng victory, sign ng success, sign ng healing at divine completion. Now with the Empress card, with the Empress, this means growth for you, Cancer. This means comfort as well. This means abundance and self-worth for some of you. Powerful ang Empress energy para sa'yo this month. Mas magiging grounded ka, mas magiging nurturing ka, hindi lang sa iba, kundi lalo-lalo na sa sarili mo. And my blessings sa home, sa relationships, sa finances mo, o sa creative projects mo. This card connects perfectly with the milk and honey. Kaya ang message sa'yo dito ay, allow yourself to receive, Cancer. You deserve good things in life. So, ang magiging kapalaran mo, may increase sa finances or comfort level this month. I-claim nyo na sa baba, alright? May emotional healing na mangyayari, may taong magbibigay sa'yo ng support or affection this month na magugustuhan mo. Okay? Pwede ring pregnancy energy ito or birth of a new project with the Empress. Okay, for those of you na naghahangad ng baby, literal na baby, yeah, the Empress is a good sign or good omen. Pero for those of you naman na naghahangad ng new project, then it's also the same energy. Now, punta tayo sa Five of Pentacles. Now, Cancer, itong Five of Pentacles, this represents for you this month, this represents old wounds of lack or fear, yung takot or feeling lack. So, for those of you kahit dumarating ang blessings, yung iba sa inyo, others of you, dala pa rin ang fear of scarcity. Ito ang energy ng takot mawalan, takot maulit ang mga dating nangyari, feeling alone kahit may tumutulong, fear of rejection or abandonment. Pero December, this month, is charging this. Ito ang mensahe naman ng universe sa'yo, Cancer. You are not alone anymore. Okay? Money will improve. Opportunities will appear. Huwag kang matakot tumanggap ng tulong. Okay, punta tayo sa Five of Cups. Five of Cups. So, Five of Cups, this energy represents mga regrets, and emotional healing for some of you this month. Ito ang magiging shadow mo ngayong buwan ng Disyembre. May lungkot pa rin na hindi mo masasabi. For some of you, sa mga ka-resonate lang po, may lungkot pa rin na hindi mo masabi-sabi. May guilt. Yung iba sa inyo makakaramdam pa rin ng guilt or regret from the past. May tao o sitwasyon na hindi mo pa rin makalimutan this month. And may mga what if na katanungan sa isipan niyo. Magpaulit-ulit or babalik. Alright? Pero dahil kasama dito ang the world energy, right? And kanina, ibig sabihin ito, ito na yung huling buwan na na mararanasan mo hopefully. Okay, na pinagpapagaling ang sakit mo na to kasi with the world it means completion. So magtatapos na ko naman mga nararamdaman yung regrets, lungkot, na hindi masabi-sabi, disappointments, o mga something na nakakapagbaba ng inyong loob. So ang mensahe sa'yo dito, Cancer, stop. For those who needs to hear this, stop looking at what was lost. Okay? A new blessing is already behind you. May paparating. So, dapat doon ninyo ilaan yung energy niyo sa paparating na blessing. Kasi, pag nakafocus kayo dyan sa mga tapos na hindi nyo mapapansin. Like for this one, hindi niya napansin. Wala na siyang energy na makita yung inaabot ng isang, look at this. Wala na siya kasi siyang energy na lumingon para abutin yung inaabot ng isang anghel na cup. It's a blessing. So, ang message sa'yo dito, don't waste your energy lingering or balikan yung mga nangyari in the past na tapos na, and then lalo-lalo na yung mga makakapanghina ng loob mo, mga regrets, pagsisisi, tapos na yon. There's a blessing coming na hindi ka aware, hindi mo nakikita. Doon mo pagtuunan ng pansin. I-reserve mo yung energy mo doon. Possibly, darating yan January, February, March, around summer. So, mag-ready ka, kumbaga. Alright? Ayan. So, overall message para sa'yo this month, this Cancer is, you will be, the energy is from pain to abundance. Papunta ka sa abundance. From loss to new beginnings, from scarcity to comfort, and then from regret to emotional renewal. Dapat yan ang i-claim niyo. So, December is a turning point para sa'yo. New cycle, new opportunities. Hindi pa lang nag-uumpisa ang year 2026. This is just, papunta ka pa lang sa pintuan, right? Bubuksan mo pa lang Hindi ka pa makapasok, pero at least papunta ka na, ongoing ka na. So, yan. Ito yung December is like, nakalinya ka na. Nakatayo ka na sa pintuan, you're ready to move forward with a new cycle, new opportunities, more financial stability, emotional healing, feeling loved, supported, and guided. And there's a divine blessings coming unexpectedly. Claim it. Dito yung Milk and Honey nako-confirm. So again, this month, Cancer, December 2025, you are entering a season of ease, comfort, and sweetness. Lalo na pag na-let go ninyo tong 5 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles energy. Ayan. Punta tayo sa... okay, again huwag mo lang dalhin ang bigat ng 2023 to 2024 to up to 2025. Marami sa inyo, Cancer, 2023, 2024, 2025, this year, ang dami niyong pasan-pasan, ang dami niyong pinoproblema, ang dami niyong struggles. Ang mensahe sa iyo ngayon ng mga spirit guides mo, huwag mo lang dalhin yung mga yan. Moving forward sa year 2026. Magpahinga, payagan mong damhin ang suporta at pagmamahal ng universe, kung saang pamamaraan man yan mangyari. Okay? Ang kapalaran mo ngayong December, Cancer, ay receiving. Pag-receive. Not chasing. Which is really good. Kasi ang chasing, paghahabol, nakakapagod ang energy yan. Receiving is mag-aabot ka lang. Right? Kukunin mo na lang. Right? Hindi ka na mag-chase. So, ang mga pinagpaguran mo rin ay may harvest na this month. For others of you, you are entering your soft season, Cancer. Your abundant season, your peaceful season. Okay, punta tayo sa animal spirit na gumagabay sa iyo. This month, you have the patient turtle. Okay, so, napakaganda ng energy ng bagong pagong para sa iyo, Cancer, ngayong December 2025. Ito ay perfect match sa mga tarot cards mo. Ipag-explain natin mamaya. Ito ay sumisimbolo, yung pagong na ito, sumisimbolo ng healing, grounding, inner peace, emotional stability, at slow but sure success. Okay, let me emphasize, I want to emphasize the word slow. Slow but sure success. So, you will reach your destination, not the final destination, destination where you succeed. Okay, where you have victory, kung saan mararanasan nyo yung victory. Don't rush, don't fear, because you are being guided with your animal spirit this month. So, ngayong buwan, Cancer, kailangan mo ng pace. Pace. P-A-C-E-E. Pace. Hindi pressure. Huwag kang ma-pressure this month. Huwag kayong ma-pressure. Trust that you are being guided with your animal spirit this month. So, hopefully, hindi kayo ma-pressure. Rest assured that ini-encourage ka na magkaroon ng pace. Okay? So, kailangan mo ng patience, of course. Kailangan mo ng patience, hindi panic. Huwag kang magpanic. Kailangan mo ng gentle progress, okay? Hindi paghabol ng pagod na pagod. Nakapagod talaga. Kahit sino yung maghabol, nakapagod talaga. So, ang pagong, ang nagsasabi sa ngayon, bumagal ka muna. Bumagal ka muna, makinig ka sa puso mo, pagalingin mo ang sarili mo, magtiwala sa timing, Cancer. Okay, at dahil lumabas yung Five of Pentacles at Five of Cups, meaning, ito, Five of Pentacles and Five of Cups, meaning my emotional wounds, my fear of lack, my pain from past losses, my loneliness na hindi mo sinasabi. Okay, so, but the turtle brings slow healing para sa'yo dyan at steady balance, abundance. Okay? So, number 1, grounding and earth connection. Ang patient turtle ay earth spirit. Earth. It's an earth sign. Ibig sabihin, December is your month for pagka-grounding, pagpapahinga, pagbabalik sa sarili mo, pagdi-detox na nakakapagod na energy, pagpapalakas ng home vibration. So, with the Empress, right, and Turtle, napakalakas ng self-care and healing month mo dito. So, kapag grounded ka, hindi ka na madaling ma-overwhelm. Now, with the World, this means slow but certain success ang ma-achieve mo this month. Ang pagong ay mabagal, right? Pero lagi niyang naaabot ang finish line. So, kung napansin mo, the World card is about completion. This means the energy na dala ng the World card dito ay completion, achievement, and success after a long journey. So, kung magkasama tong energy na ito, ibig sabihin, you've made it this far. This month is your breakthrough after years of endurance. So, even if may mga delays, even if may mga setbacks, hindi ka ihuhulog ng universe, I tell you. Hindi ka ihuhulog. Hindi ka pababayaan ng universe, Cancer. You are protected and guided. Claim it. Okay, claim nyo sa baba. Now, with the Five of Cups dito, okay, with the Five of Cups, this is emotional healing. May emotional healing na mangyayari sa iyo this month, Cancer. So, because the turtle brings serenity. Okay, ibig sabihin, gagaan ang puso mo, mawawala ng mga heaviness na nararamdaman mo, Cancer. Maiiwan ang mga old regrets. Matatapos ang mga emotional loops. So you are moving in with gentleness, not guilt anymore. May healing, and healing takes time, pero magaganap na ngayon. Okay, claim it. Now, there's stability after financial fear. Dito lumabas, Five of Pentacles confirms this, nakumpirma ito. Lumabas ang Five of Pentacles. This means there's a stability after your financial fear. marami sa inyo, if hindi, iilan sa inyo ay nagkaroon ng takot sa financial security ninyo, financial stability. Ano yung mga takot? Saan ako makakahanap ng pera? Paano ko na mababayaran yung utang ko? Magkakapera pa ba ako? Mga ganong fear. Ano nang kakainin namin sa susunod? May panghanda ba kami sa Pasko? Mga ganyan. Example lang yan. Marami pa siguro. No, kapag pagong ang lumabas sa finances, ibig sabihin nito talaga, alam ng lahat sa Feng Shui, right? Cancer, may improvement. So, wala kang dapat ipag-alala. Mawawala dapat yung takot mo. May improvement, may slow but sure growth dito. May steady support. May tulong na paparating for others of you. May stability na unti-unting mabubuo. So, hindi need magmadali. Hindi mo need magmadali this month. Hindi mo need magpanic. Okay, tandaan nyo yan. Everything is aligning beautifully. Okay. Now, with the Empress naman, there's inner peace and serenity sa'yo. Okay, na mangyayari this month. So, the turtle now encourages you quiet mornings, contained emotions, rest, and relax lang this month. Okay. Making decisions from calmness and not panic. So, ito yung buwan na mas magiging empress ka. More nurturing ka, more intuitive ka na, more peaceful. Okay, so, summarize natin. Again, with the patient, turtle energy, may slow but sure progress dito sa'yo this month. May grounding at stability mangyayari, may emotional healing na mangyayari. Abundance is growing for you quietly lang this month. Okay, may abundance na nag-grow pero quiet siya. Hindi siya loud for some of you. May divine protection para sa'yo this month, Cancer. Claim it. May healing sa mga past wounds. Ayan, may serenity after struggle and may success na hindi mo kailangang habulin. Okay, you are safe. You are supported. Let healing happen slowly this month and naturally. Your blessings are already on the way, Cancer. Okay, punta tayo sa love and romance mo. For your love and romance, you have charisma. Wow. Okay, so napaka-powerful for you this month, December 2025. This is a powerful heart healing month for you, Cancer. Ito ang buwan na unti-unti mong mararamdaman na you are lovable, you are desirable, you are magnetic, and you are worthy. Something na hindi mo masyadong nararamdaman nitong mga nakaraang buwan. Especially this year. Especially last year siguro. Right? But the card charisma here shows a person radiating beauty, grace, and softness. At ganyan ang magiging energy mo this month. People will be drawn to your aura, your presence, your softness, and your emotional depth. So, kasama pa ang Empress, okay? You are standing. This means you are standing in your divine feminine magnetism. Whether you are lalaki, kahit lalaki ka, okay? Kasi, why do I say this? Sa mga lalaki, mga men natin dyan, mga uncle, tito, sir, mga sir natin dito na nanonood, wag kayong kung lumabas dito, mga empress, mga pambabae, because lahat tayo, lalaki man o babae, may pinatawag na polarity sa ating energy. May yin and yang tayo energy. Okay? May feminine and energy tayo at masculine. Balance tayo actually. Alright? So, ayan. So, love flows to you, Cancer. You radiate charisma and charm. Lalaki ka man or babae, okay? Ngayong December, Cancer, magiging magnetic ka. Lalaki ka man or babae. I want to emphasize that because baka sabihin ng mga lalaki dito, parang puro babae lang. No. Kahit kayo mga sir, meron kayong feminine energy. Mas dominante lang sa inyo ang masculine. Kasi physically, you are a man. May titi kayo. May mga penis kayo. Kami naman babae, may vagina kami. Right? May ovaries kami. We have a female organ. Right? Kaya dominante sa amin ang feminine energy. But we also have masculine energy. Okay? Lumalabas yan sa mga bossy woman. Mga woman na powerful. Okay? Mas malakas ang kanilang yang energy, masculine energy. Right? So, mahirap explain yan. Sana maintindihan nyo. So, ngayong December, Cancer again, magiging magnetic ka. Mas mapapansin ka, mas magiging attractive ka, mas lalalim ang connection sa iyo ng ibang tao, mas maraming hahanga sa personality mo, mas lalakas ang romantic opportunities mo. Na kung single ka, someone is watching you or admiring you quietly. Na kung may partner ka na, mas magiging affectionate sila at mas mapapansin ang softness mo. Now, with the world, this means, Cancer, closure for some of you or a new romantic cycle. So, ito ang pinakamalakas na sign na isang lumang love cycle ang officially magtatapos for some of you this month. Matatapos na ang paulit-ulit na sakit, matatapos na ang mga toxic pattern, matatapos na ang paghahabol, pagkapagod at pagkalito for some of you. You are entering a higher level connection, Cancer. Something stable, something secure, at something mature. This is a dating upgrade for some of you. Or a relationship upgrade for those of you na in a relationship na. Okay. Now, with the Empress, balikan natin yung Empress card. This is flourishing love life for some of you, Cancer. Napakaganda para sa love life mo. The Empress means emotional abundance. Okay. Natural beauty. Self-worth increasing. Or someone sees your value na this month. Someone wants to take care of you this month. Someone may gustong mag-build something deeper sa'yo this month sa relationship ninyo. So, you can expect commitment na maglalast. Okay? Ito rin na energy ng romantic nurturing. So, ibig sabihin, may taong mas magiging gentle, sweet, at thoughtful sa'yo ngayong December. Na kung may partner ka na, Cancer, ibig sabihin, yung mga tao na yan, they will start treating you better now, which is really good. Okay? They will appreciate you more this month. Mas magiging loving at appreciative sila sa'yo. And may possible gift giving or special gesture. So, you can expect may mga magbibigay sa'yo ng regalo. Okay. Now, kung single ka naman, Cancer, you will attract someone reliable this month. Someone will see you as a relationship material. And may admirer na tahimik pero sincere siya sa'yo. Okay. Now, with the Five of Pentacles, this is an energy na for others of you, this means there's a fear of losing love dito. So, ito yung shadow mo. Okay, for others of you, even if nakaka-receive ka ng affection or admiration, yung iba sa inyo, may part ng puso mo na still scared to trust. Okay? Afraid na maulit ang past abandonment na nangyari, feeling not enough, hesitant mag-open up. Now, pero ngayong December, this month, this is healing for others of you. Hindi ka iiwan, hindi ka pababayaan, hindi ka kakalimutan. You are finally being reassured by the universe. Now, with the Five of Cups, this is healing past heartbreak for you, Cancer. This card shows your deepest love wound. Ito yung nakaraan na nasaktan ka, sinukuan ka, hindi ka pinili, hindi binigyan ng closure, binabaliwala ang feelings mo. Ngayong buwan na ito, the universe says, stop crying over what you lost. Start noticing what is coming towards you. This month, my new love path na nakalaan sa'yo. Fresh, pure, sincere. Hindi na galing sa trauma. So, ang magiging outcome sa love and romance niyo December this month, 2025, Cancer, is number 1, your aura will become magnetic. People will be drawn or feel drawn to your softness and energy. There's a new romantic cycle na mangyayari. You're stepping into a healthier relationship paradigm. Someone notices you deeply this month. An admirer or a partner will see your true worth. Okay, may emotional wounds din na mag-start na mag-heal this month. So, you will start releasing ng mga regrets na old heartbreak in the past. And may stability na magre-replace sa mga loneliness ninyo. Okay? The Five of Pentacles energy is ending this month. So, you won't feel alone anymore. And last but not the least, there's a loving connection that grows peacefully this month. Hindi minamadali, hindi pilit, pero genuine. So, ang mensahe sa'yo dito, Cancer, you are worthy of a love that stays, a love that chooses you, a love that cherishes you. Let yourself be seen this month. Let yourself be loved. Okay, release the past. Your heart is ready to bloom again. So this December, Cancer, love does not run away from you. It comes toward you. Okay, punta tayo sa money and career mo this month, Cancer. You have the Transporter. Okay, so ngayong buwan, December 2025, Cancer, ang energy sa finances at career mo ay pag-angat. Pag-angat mula sa stagnation, papunta sa movement, growth, and abundance. So ito ang buwan na magsisimula ng umandar. Okay, ang mga bagay na parang ang tagal mong hinintay. Okay, the transporter card marks the momentum, forward motion, and positive career shift. So, things will start moving for you quickly this month. Kung dati, mabagal ang progress, this month magiging mas mabilis, mas malinaw, mas maayos, mas productive. It's all, you are leaving the slow stock energy behind na. Action and opportunity are coming this month. So, ngayong buwan, December 2025, lalabas na may sudden offers, may mga rush clients, may mga career opportunities, may fast approval sa visa, immigration, ano man yung mga approval na inaantay ninyo, may unexpected income pa, may financial movement na mangyayari. Now, with the world, okay, this means career completion and success for you, Cancer. Right? Ito yung card ng achievement, milestone, new chapter, at success after a long journey. So, meaning, may matatapos mo na ang isang project or obligation this month. Okay, for others of you, and also for the others of you, may recognition or praise, may promotion or leveling up sa work o sa career, may bagong chapter sa work, may closure sa isang financial struggle. So, this is a sign of career maturity and accomplishment para sa'yo, Cancer. After years of effort, magbubunga na. Okay, wow, congrats, claim it. Now with the Empress, this is money growth and abundance. Claim it yun na, i-comment yun na sa baba. I claim this money growth and abundance. I claim money growth and abundance. Ano pang i-claim ninyo? I claim career success. Wow, I love it. So, napakaganda nito para sa finances mo, career. Because the Empress brings financial comfort. It brings growth sa business. It means increase in income, more clients or orders, ayan, stable flow of money, creative success. Now, kung may business ka, may boom, may sales, may movement. Now, kung employed ka, may incentives, may bonus, may recognition, or new opportunity. So, this is also a card of financial nourishment. Meaning, hindi lang pera ang darating, kundi ease, stability, and security. Okay, punta tayo sa Five of Pentacles. Nasa Five of Pentacles, ito yung pag-alis sa struggle, hindi pagpasok. Okay? So, sa money and career reading, ang Five of Pentacles ay past energy mo. So, ito ang mga pinanggagalingan mo. Financial worry, mabagal na kita, fear of losing money. Wait lang po. fear of losing money, ayan, unstable income nangyari, right, for those of you, or feeling unsupported in the past. Pero ngayong December, Cancer, dahil so the world, kanina lumabas, the Empress and the Transporter, ibig sabihin you're finally moving out of this financial hardship with the Five of Pentacles energy. Hindi ka na stuck, hindi ka na mag-iisa, hindi ka na kukulangan. Okay, may movement na at mabilis. Okay, let's move on sa Five of Cups. Okay, now, Five of Cups here represents lesson from past money mistakes. Okay, ito naman ang emotional side ng money mo. May lungkot or regret ka sa mga maling financial decisions mo sa nitong mga nakaraang buwan or lately or last year. Ito yung mga gastos na hindi mo na dapat ginawa. Kumaga may mga pinagsisihan mo, right? Opportunities na hindi mo na grab, money na nawala, in any way, shape, or form na nawala. Paano mo nawala? Nagastos, na ipautang, na invest sa maling investment, na loko, mga ganun. And trust issues na sa collaborations or past jobs na pinagsisihan mo. So yan, mga past energies yan, past mistakes na for you, nagkaroon ka ng lesson. So ngayong December, this month, you are healing financially and emotionally. Hindi mo na iulitin yung mga old patterns na yan. You're making smarter and more aligned decision this month. This time, Cancer, guided ka na. Hindi na biglaan, hindi na impulsive, hindi na fearful. So, again, with the Transporter, big career and money movement ang mangyayari. First, my first progress in work sa business. Fast progress sa work and business. May bigla ang acceleration. May projects na mag-move quickly. May clients na who comes in fast talaga. Approvals or opportunities appear suddenly for you. And then may possible travel for work or money for others of you. So, pwedeng business travel, relocation plans, online expansion, or meeting clients, or even new partnerships. For others of you, siguro income improves through movement. So, kikita ka ngayon dahil sa action mo, sa networking, or travel-related opportunities. And also, my career shift or new direction dito. Lalo na kung matagal ka ng undecided, now you finally move forward na, Cancer. And there's also a connection to a global or international market. So, the world, again, with the world and the Transporter, this means overseas opportunities. Alright? Foreign clients for others of you. Online global income expansion. And then packages or shipping success also. So, overall, Cancer, you are exiting financial struggles. Financial struggles, mawawala na. Mag-exit ka na dyan. Because you are entering abundance and comfort na. Your work accelerates this month. Money moves quickly. Big opportunities appear. Healing from past losses mangyayari. There's also career expansion and recognition na mangyayari. There's a new chapter, a new success for you. So this is your financial breakthrough month. Parang binubuksan muli ang pintuan ng swerte at prosperity para sa iyo. So you are ready to receive. What you lost, Cancer, will be replaced with something better. Trust the movement if it is taking you somewhere abundant. Okay, again, slowly. So, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Let me know if nagustuhan niyo po ang reading na ito by liking this video. If may gusto kayong i-claim nyo na sa baba. And if naka-resonate po kayo, let me know as well. Maraming salamat mo. Now, for those of you, Cancer, na may nahanap na mga gandang crystal bracelets, pangregalo or para sa'yo, ayan. Mura lang, 1,000 plus. Okay? Ang ganda na. Very simple yet elegant. Now, for those of you, mga sir, mga kuya, ati, kuyang, ayan, kuyang ating, kuyang, uncle, boss, or sir, ayan, ano pa, tatay, ayan, kung may gusto kayong irigalo sa mga wives ninyo, diba, sa girlfriend ninyo, wag muna kayong aalis kasi ipapakita ko dito sa video pagkatapos nito. Okay, kasunod nito, wag ka muna kayong aalis. Tapusin nyo itong video hanggang sa dulo kasi ipapakita ko dito yung mga 1,000 plus na sulit na crystal bracelet kasi may class. Okay, now kung nakapag-decide kayo kung anong kunin. By the way, bawat bracelet isang design, stock lang muna sa ngayon. Kaya, paunahan kayo sa pag-buy. Kasi, pag naubos na yan, another new bracelet na naman, new set of bracelets na naman, pag naubos. So, again, if may nagustuhan kayong bilhin, i-pause nyo lang yung video dito and then take a screenshot. Ipadala nyo yung screenshot sa Bono Magos PH Facebook page ko po. Hanapin nyo yung Facebook page ko. Yung Facebook page ko, may blue check, verified ni Meta. Okay? Andito sa YouTube description ko, sa channel. Yung mga links, makikita nyo sa About Me, sa YouTube. Ayan. As well as my website. So, again, if may napili na kayong bibilhin, huwag kalimutan po magpadala ng screenshot sa item na gusto yung bilhin para malaman natin. Okay, kung ano yung bibilhin niyo. For more inquiries about, by the way, sa gustong magpabook ng private tarot reading, it's 2,500 po. Up to 10 questions ang pwede nyong itanong. For more inquiries, ayan, i-message nyo lang po ako about my services o ano pa. Follow me on Facebook page, Bono Magos PH, kasi ang dami kong mga pakulo doon. Namimigay ako ng mga pamasko pala. So, hopefully, masama kayo. Actually, meron ako napili. Every now and then, namimigay ako doon. May mga pakulo, dami kong pakulo doon. So, anyway, what else? Cancer, again, maraming salamat. Huwag muna kayong aalis para sa mga new bracelet na ipapakita ko if you're interested. I'll be right back. Thank you so much.